say hi.
Hi.
You walked out of frame again. Okay. Now for my eyebrows, I'm taking my Anastasia eyebrow brush in 12 and my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in dark brown. If I get copyrighted, it's not my fault. Now I'm taking this CoverGirl concealer in the shade Light Pale. And I'm going to be using it to conceal my brows. I'm not going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape at the moment because even though it is precise and nice, as I said, we're going for a really natural look. I'm taking this. If you guys want, you guys can use the Anastasia Eyebrow Wiz or Definer. That's really good for like a more natural look. I'm going for like them Insta brows. I don't really do natural eyebrows. For my eyeballs, I'm going to be taking the Real Techniques Premium Shadow Brush, and I'm going to be taking White Chocolate, the chocolate chip palette, and I'm just going to be setting my eyes. No primer. And I'm just going to be setting it all. Now for a full face primer, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Hydrating Primer. Also the face primer, the Maya Badescu water. I feel like my foundation is going to fall off with this powder or with this primer. My pores do look a little bit minimized though. Now for foundation, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Stick Foundation. And this is in the shade Tan. You passed the double chin test. Now for concealer, I'm going back in with the CoverGirl. Now to set my face, I'm not using the e.l.f., I'm using the Coty Airspun. Now once I'm all set in stone, I'm going to go in with the Hoola Bronzer from Tarte. Give my face a little bit of a dimension. I'm going in with the Tarte blush. The lid came off, but it's in Party. That was so much. For lips, I'm going in with the CoverGirl Oh Sugar in Cupcake, right? Yeah. I'm going in with the highlighter Tourmaline from Anastasia. It's very purple and grayish toned, but it's a very good blinding highlighter.
Hello, I'd like to deposit this. Okay, what's my something?
A fortune bank teller. Surprising. What's not surprising? How much you could save.
Don't mind it, dude. Fail. This is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys next week. I love you guys very, very much. Don't forget to check the description for a surprise, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I almost forgot. If you guys like this video, like and subscribe and comment some suggestions. And yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to check the description for a surprise. I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next video.
I would wish you the best, but you already had it. You already had it, baby. I wish you the best.